Welcome, dear learners. I am Dr. N. Pushpa, Associate Professor, Department of Microbiology, Kaveri College for Women, Autonomous, Tiruchirappalli. Today, we are going to have the lecture on plastic waste management. What are plastics? Plastics are polymers that are made synthetically or semi-synthetically. Synthetic plastics are extensively used in packaging of products like food, pharmaceuticals, cosmetics, detergents, and chemicals. Approximately 30% of the plastics are used worldwide for packaging applications. They have replaced paper and other cellulose-based products for packaging because of their better physical and chemical properties such as their strength, lightness, resistance to water, and most waterborne microorganisms. These polymers are extremely stable and do not readily enter into the degradation cycles of the biosphere. The Society of the Plastic Industry established a classification system in 1988 to allow consumers and recyclers identify different types of plastic based on the composition of the polymer. These are polyethylene terephthalate, high density polyethylene, polyvinyl chloride, low density polyethylene, polypropylene, polystyrene, and others. What are the harmful effects of plastic waste? This schematic representation shows the various harmful effects of plastic waste. There are different methods for plastic waste management. Recycling. Recycling refers to the waste management strategy that collects plastic waste and converts them into raw materials that can be reused to form other valuable products. It is also known as renewing or reusing method. The following steps are involved in this process: collecting waste plastics, sorting or arranging plastics into categories, washing to remove impurities, shredding and resizing, identifying and separating plastics, compounding. Advantages: recycling reduces pollution, it requires less energy, it helps in natural conservation, it saves landfill space, it reduces the demand for fossil fuel consumption. Disadvantages: it might release some volatile gases which affect certain plants and animals. These gases may lead to global warming. Most plastics are unfit for multiple rounds of recycling. Incineration. Incineration refers to the waste management strategy that involves the complete burning of plastic waste. It releases different volatile chemicals, ash, and a small amount of hydrochloric acid along with water molecules and carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. It is also known as complete combustion method. Advantages: incineration helps to generate electricity, it decreases the quantity of waste in the ecosystem, it eliminates harmful germs and chemicals. Disadvantages: it is costly to set up, it causes pollution in the environment, it can harm the people and the environment. Landfills refers to the disposal of waste material by burying it, especially as a method of filling in and reclaiming excavated pits. During this landfills processing, the molecules undergo biodegradation and decomposition. Plastic bags and other long polymer waste take hundreds of years to degrade in the landfills. Advantages: it is cost effective, segregates hazardous waste from other waste, it can lead to production of biogas, which can be used as a source of energy. Disadvantages: it is partially responsible for climate change, it contaminates soil and water, it affects wildlife. Pyrolysis. Pyrolysis refers to the decomposition of materials at elevated temperatures in an inert atmosphere. It involves the change of chemical composition and is irreversible. Pyrolysis process is classified into three main categories according to the amount of heat energy needed to destruct plastic connections. They are high temperature, medium temperature, and low temperature based media. Advantages: it is an efficient method of plastic waste management. Disadvantages: it is very costly. Bioremediation. Bioremediation refers to the process where microorganisms decompose waste. Microorganisms isolated from plastic polluted areas have been found to have the ability to degrade plastic. Microbes degrade the plastics in two of the two ways. The microbes utilize these chemicals as their carbon source with the help of certain key catabolic enzymes such as microbial oxidoreductase, microbial oxygenase, lactases, peroxidases, microbial lignin peroxidases, hydrolases, and microbial manganese peroxidases, microbial lipases. The microbes produce byproducts that attack the polymer structure. Advantages: it is an eco-friendly method, it is cost-effective. Disadvantages: it requires optimum conditions for efficient waste management. With this, we come to the end of today's lecture on plastic waste management. Thank you.